Hey guys, magandang araw. Ako nga pala ulit si Ayen. Ako ang owner at founder ng Southside Car Rentals. At ngayong araw ay ating i-review ang 2025 Toyota Rush GRS na aming pinaparentahan. Let's go guys! Okay guys, so welcome back to the channel and ngayong araw ay ating i-review ang 2025 Toyota Rush GRS. Ito yung isa sa mga sikat na pinipili na SUV para sa mga lakad ng pamilya o kaya lakad ng barkada o kaya yung simpleng city cruising lang ba. At ito na nga ba yung tamang SUV na dapat mong rentahan para sa susunod mong gala o labas kasama ang inyong pamilya at mga kaibigan. So let's find out ano ba yung meron dito sa Toyota Rush GRS na to. So guys, kung mapapansin ninyo, ang ganda ng front design ng Toyota Rush GRS. Para siyang para siyang mini na Fortuner. Kasi yung design niya, it looks, bold and sporty. And of course, may mga GRS styling siya. So ayan, meron siyang GR badge here and also at the back. Yun nga lang, dun sa front niya walang GR branding like nung sa Hilux ng Toyota, which is I think okay lang rin naman. Dahil yung itsura pa rin ng harap niya parang poging-pogi pa rin. Gawa ng, kung titingnan nyo, ang sporty pa rin niya tignan dahil meron siyang blacked out accents and of course yung ground clearance niya is mataas talaga kumpara sa mga kasegment niya tulad ng Avanza, ng Stargazer, tsaka ng Veloz. So maganda ito. Halimbawa kung ang destination nyo is Zambales, yung Mapanwepe Lake, kasi yun, may dadaan kayo doon ng lake. So may mga tawid batis doon. At ang magandang choice dyan is yung mga matataas tulad netong Toyota Rush GRS. At the same time, upgraded na ang headlights nito dahil naka LED headlamps na siya. At the same time, meron na rin siyang fog lights, which is very great and safe kung ang biyahe nyo is doon sa mga lugar na medyo madilim o kaya foggy like yung Tagaytay or Baguio. And then naka-alloy wheels na rin ang Toyota Rush GRS. Yan. And then meron din siyang roof rail na nagpapadagdag sa appeal o ganda nung sasakyan. And at the same time, practical din siya para sa additional luggage para sa carriers. Now let's check the interior of the Toyota Rush GRS. Yan, okay. So itong interior nito or itong loob ng Toyota Rush GRS is spacious siya dahil nga ito ay merong 7-seater capacity, which is ideal and perfect for mga group trips ba, kung kasama mo ang pamilya mo or barkada or yung grupo mo. And then very comfortable din ang fabric seat niya. Hindi siya naka leather seat pero malambot, tsaka hindi masakit sa likod pag nagda-drive ka, lalo na kung long drive. And then ang kagandahan kasi dito, automatic na din ang climate control niya, na napaka-importante lalo na kung long drive o kaya kung mainit ang panahon. Tapos i-check na rin natin ang likod ng Toyota Rush GRS natin. Ayan, ito naman ang middle seat niya. At adjustable din ang middle seat, pwedeng i-forward or itulak pa harap, depende sa preference ninyo. Kumbaga may mas flexible ang pasahero. And then the headroom is also higher or bigger compared to the other 7-seaters of its same variant. And sa likod, mas malaki ang third row seats niya compared sa BRV and sa Avanza. So mas maluwag ang Toyota Rush GRS. Also, balik tayo sa harap. Let's talk about the technology and convenience. Now, this Toyota Rush GRS already offers a touchscreen infotainment system with a smartphone connectivity. Ibig sabihin, meron na siyang Apple CarPlay at Android Auto. And the steering wheel also has audio controls. And it also has USB port for the passengers and drivers. At ang kagandahan dito sa Toyota Rush GRS, smart entry na rin siya at push to start na ang kanyang ignition. So, hindi nyo na mawawala ang susi nyo kahit nasa bulsa nyo lang yan. Ayos lang. Huwag nyo lang iiwan sa bulsa nyo pag magsiswimming na kayo dahil mababasa yan. Tulad nung nangyari sa customer namin dati. At yung sound naman ng Toyota Rush GRS, buo rin siya. Kumbaga parang upgraded na yung sound system niya. Which is also good for people who likes to listen to music while driving. Now, let's also talk about the Toyota Rush GRS safety features as well. Now, the Toyota Rush GRS comes with the Toyota Safety Sense features, the ABS, EBD, and Hill Start Assist traction. So, lalo na sa mga newbie drivers, lalo na kung paakyat, pabagyo, hindi kayo matatakot i-drive ang Toyota Rush GRS dahil meron siyang Hill Start Assist, which is for this era of automobiles, napaka-important ng Hill Start Assist at traction control. Now, there are also rear parking sensors. Ito yung mga itong black na bilog na yan, and of course a reverse camera, again, which is ideal for newbie drivers, especially if you're having some difficulty in parking or doing a parallel parking sa mga very tight spots. Now, more importantly, if you're traveling with your relatives and friends, is dapat complete siya sa safety features such as airbags. Itong Toyota Rush GRS, it already offers dual airbags plus stability control, which is an added safety feature for you and your passengers. Okay, now silipin naman natin what's under the hood. So what's under the hood is a 1.5 liter engine, which is just balanced for fuel economy. So let me just pop up this trunk. Ayan, okay. So again, the Toyota Rush GRS offers a 1.5 liter engine, which is balanced for fuel efficiency and performance. It also has automatic transmission, which is good for both beginners and seasoned drivers. It has a great handling in both city traffic and provincial roads. And in terms of the fuel efficiency, guys, I think this is also a big factor when you're doing a long trips. It averages around 10 kilometers per liter, but of course it still depends on your driving habits. And why is the Toyota Rush GRS perfect for family or group travel? First, because it has enough space for the whole family or barkada without feeling cramped or siksikan. Again, let's take a look at the interior. This is how big the Toyota Rush GRS is. And of course, it's very comfortable even in long drives. Ako, tested ko na to from Cavite to Tagaytay or Manila to Baguio, no problem. And again, safety plus entertainment is equals to peace of mind and fun. Plus, it also looks very stylish in photos and videos for your travel content. Lalo na uso-uso mga nagko-content ngayon, di ba? And now, let's talk about the pricing of the rental for the Toyota Rush GRS. Now, the rental for the Toyota Rush GRS starts at 3,000 per day for city driving. Meaning, it's kung ang destination is within Manila or Cavite area only. But of course, the price may vary depending on the pick-up and drop-off location, number of days. But don't worry guys, we offer discounts for multiple days rental, and of course, which is perfect for extended trips or family vacation. This Toyota Rush caters to renters in Imus, Bacoor, and Kawit, and of course in nearby cities in Cavite, which is super accessible to South folks. Now, whether it's a road trip or a family getaway or just a spacious ride for errands, the Toyota 2025 GRS Rush is ready to roll out. Just PM us at Southside Car Rentals and Car Accessories to book, and we'll take care of the rest. Now, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and comment on your next destination. And that's it guys. Thank you very much, and have a nice day and have a nice trip. Bye guys.